Hi guys, this is Tracey. We've got my lovely son here, Jamie Jones.
The return.
And it's been a while actually, hasn't it? It's been ages since we've done any crafting together.
I've been bugging you since.
I know. I've just been so busy doing these new designs. New designs coming soon. Well, soon-ish. But they just take so much time to design, so I've kind of been in the background a little bit the last few weeks. Anyway, we are going to be using texture paste today.
Okay, that's a new one.
Yeah, you've not had a go at all with
this.
No,
scares me a little bit, but let's give it a go.
So we've got our multifarious card here. We've got a palette knife. You've got your palette knife. We've got some mica sprays, and we've got a couple of the Brushos as well. Okay. And we've got our water. So we're going to need all this to create this background. So let's get started. We need a stencil first. So we've got 3 stencils here. I might go with that one actually.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
I'm just going to go for that one.
That one? Okay, right.
Thank you.
Alright then. You can do this on watercolour card as well, but we've got multivarious in front of us. Put your stencil over the top, yeah? Mm-hmm. And now, I've had to get a new pot of this because I've run out. So brand new. So you can see the thickness of it. Okay. And then all we're going to do you want me to do this first?
Go on,
just to show you.
I don't have a clue what we're doing.
Okay, so I'm just going to pop that down, and then using the edge, I'm going to just drag that over. Excited. So then I'm going to
see what happens with it.
Yeah, scrape the rest of it off and pop it back in the pot. And then I'm just going to take that off. Look at that! Look!
Oh whoa!
Isn't it great?
It's actually like off.
Yeah, it's like
3D effect.
3D.
That's cool.
So you need to put this in water straight away because it will just ruin your stencil otherwise. Okay. If it dries on there, you won't get it off. Not very well anyway. So I'm going to put that in some water.
How long does this take to dry?
I'd give it a good sort of 5-10 minutes. Yeah, to dry properly. But we're going to speed things up with our air dryers and heat guns. How are you getting on with that?
Okay.
Okay. It's like icing a cake, but then I suppose you've never really iced a cake.
No.
So just pop that back on there. And then scrape any other excess off. That's it. And we'll pop that lid back on. So otherwise that's going to dry out. So always remember to keep your lid on. And I'll just wipe that clean as well. Put that in some water. Okay.
Thank you. Oh, I've not lifted my stencil off yet.
No.
The great reveal. Hopefully I've not moved. Oh.
Look at that. Isn't it great?
Almost looks like wallpaper.
It does actually, doesn't it? So you can heat with that.
Thank you.
So let's dry away. So we've just quickly dried that off now, but ideally just put it to the side for 5 or 10 minutes and then it's touch dry.
Does this work on all kinds of paper then? If it's like a textured card, like a caddy paper, would it?
It would work on a caddy paper, definitely. In fact, yeah, it would work great on the zigzag. In fact, I might even put mine on. I keep meaning to finish this project. It was a great project, but I've kind of abandoned it. I need to get back into it again. But I do absolutely love this zigzag card. But yeah, once we decorate that, we can always stick that into it.
Yeah.
So which would look quite nice, wouldn't it? So yeah, you can use the zigzag card, the multifarious, and you can use the watercolour card. Okay, so next up we've got some sprays here.
Okay, what have we got? Spring moss.
Have your water ready as well, just to dilute it, because we're going to add a little bit of Brusho as well. So I'll just show you now, give you a quick idea of what we're doing. So I should have shaken that actually. And let's put a little bit of this one in. This is the mahogany twist.
It's a nice colour.
I love that colour.
Twist.
I know. And I'm going to add a little bit of water.
I'm mixing now. You don't just get like, say you buy 3, you don't just get 3 colours. Because once they all mix, you get like
loads of
even more colours.
But then you've got to be careful not to put too much on. Because if you put too much on and they all work together, you can end up with like a bit of a brown.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So isn't that fab? I just love that effect, and it's so quick and easy.
Yeah. And that was just 2 sprays of each.
It was. I've got a black Brusho here. I'm kind of reluctant to put it on now because I quite like the effect, but I just want to show you what the Brusho can do as well. It kind of sits in all the recesses, which is quite nice. Do you see? And you can put as much or as little water on as you want, but it defines that sort of pattern a little bit more.
Yeah, it makes it more visible, even more 3D as well, kind of.
There. Excited?
Yes. I'm scared.
I'm going with 2 sprays.
Yes, just the 2.
Okay.
Bit of bumblebee. Give it a shake. Oh, I can't forget the mahogany twist.
You're going to use that as well?
Oh, wait, and then there's just, I want to use all the colours. They're all so nice. I feel like mahogany twist brings a bit of something different.
It does actually, yeah, it gives it a little bit more somehow.
Oh, it's gone a bit brown there. I might have done it here.
I would maybe stop there.
Yeah, I'm going to. Oh, poor blue moon.
Okay, add a little bit of water to it now, just to, so that they, mix together.
Much, or just kind of...
Pick the card up and just start moving, and you get a feel of how much water you're going to put on. You see they're starting to run?
Yeah. Oh, it's a bit brown.
That's fine.
There we go. Now they're on the run.
What do you think of that?
That's cool. I quite like it. It's almost like a chameleon, you know, how it changes.
Oh,
almost
right,
looks like it changes colour.
Yeah. So we've got black and we've got ultramarine if you want to add a little bit more to it. What do you think?
I think I've got plenty of colour on there right now. Or maybe because that was quite nice actually.
Yeah.
I do like
The
that.
Brusho brings something else to it.
Yeah.
I think.
Just a couple of...
Yeah, as you know, you only need a little bit with Brusho because it goes a very, very long way.
Oh yeah. Oh no. What have I done?
It's going to be a blue card. It's nice though.
Yeah.
Just let it run off. You have got other colours going on in there, but the blue has taken over slightly. But that's fine. That's fine.
That just shows how little Brusho you need, guys.
It is.
I only did that for you.
So we'll dry that off.
Can you see the...
I know, the Mica.
That's the bumblebee, that.
Yeah, and the same with mine. All the copper actually sits in all the recesses.
Yeah.
It looks absolutely fabulous, doesn't it?
I didn't even see it until I tilted it.
Yeah, looks really good.
Yeah.
So I've got my glue pen here, and let's just, for argument's sake, let's put a little bit of the glue pen on here. You can pick up any kind of areas and do. Just have a go. I'll get some Gilding Flakes and just rub those in.
Drawing it a bit off here.
There we go. Do you want the gun?
For the glue?
Yeah.
Come on. Do I need it?
Give that a little, because we need the glue to dry now.
Okay.
So it dries tacky.
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Of course.
Tacky?
I think so.
So with this, you just pick a little bit up.
Oh, I like the Gilding Flakes.
It's great, isn't it?
So
And you
cool.
can see, if you hold it to the side, you can see the shine where the glue is. And all I'm going to do is just pop that over the top.
You don't realise how many colours are in this, do you?
No, I know.
But whenever I see cards by everyone, I was just surprised. It just looks amazing. It adds such a nice effect to the colour.
It does, doesn't it? Really lovely. All I'm doing is just rubbing my finger over the top. And you can see how it's picked up that lovely Gilding Flakes. But you know, think of what you could do with that. Oh, he's off.
I've forgotten where I put the glue now. I think it was somewhere up here.
Maybe not. Kind of got to try and remember.
Yeah. I'll remember that for next time. First time using these.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I've really thrown you in at the deep end, haven't I?
It's all new today.
Yeah.
If I could remember where I glued, it would be great.
Yeah. Well, it's picked up lots of areas.
Yeah. I think that's the one that I tested out when I was seeing if it was tacky or not.
So just tap that off.
Oh, I did some in the middle of the... Oh, yeah. No, it's... Yeah, no, I can't find it.
Let's pop those back in there. We can save all the flakes. And then...
Shame, because it's one of my favourite bits, that.
I know. Look at that. I'm dead excited about that.
Yeah.
So, you know, I would cut off part of that now. And like we said, put this in part of my zigzag card. So you'd cut that off, trim that off. And it's good to keep these little bits for other, you know, areas that you want to do your journaling.
Yeah.
And I'd embellish that a little bit more maybe. But it's just a great technique, isn't it? And that's all what we're doing today, guys. It's just a bit of a technique more than a finished card. We just wanted to show you how effective it is, and I hope that it's inspired you to have a go.
Yeah, no, it's fairly easy as well. Like, apart from remembering where I put the glue, if my brain was working properly, then it'd be great.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
But considering that is the first time, and genuinely, absolutely genuinely, that is the first time you've done that.
Yeah.
I've really thrown you in at the deep end. So you've done really well.
Oh, thank you.
And you've enjoyed it.
Yeah, no, it's been fun.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Please comment below if you'd like to see me and Jamie do anything else. And we will see you very soon.
Yes.
Okay.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.